Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm showing you how to sew a wristband pin cushion. So maybe you've been putting your pins in something like this, or you have a container. I'm going to show you how to make a pin cushion, wristband pin cushion. If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, I'm saying a big welcome to you. I'm happy to have you here. Please do watch my videos, like my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I'm blowing kisses at you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming through. So let's dive right into today's video. So you have a few things we'll be needing for this wristband pin cushion. It's very easy to make, yet very beautiful. So today I'll be following the Barbie train. I'll be using my pink fabric here. This is what I'm going to be using. And I think from pink, maybe someone should be able to guess the shape I'm about to make. If you know what I'm about to make with this pink, like the shape, put it down in the comment section before I spill. I'm waiting. Okay, so the shape I'm going to be making heart shapes for this. Yeah, so this is me celebrating love to my subscribers, everybody that has subscribed, and those that are yet to subscribe. This is me showing you guys that I have you guys so much with this particular DIY. Normally, you're supposed to need your measuring tape. Here I have my pattern paper. I have this 1-inch elastic band for the wrist. Then I also have this for embellishment, making hearts for my subscribers and my farm out there. I have to make it very beautiful. So yeah, I have a matching thread and I have scissors. Then I have this marker for my pattern. Then I also have this straight ruler. So let's start with the cutting action. I'm just going to set all this aside. The length of the heart is going to be 4 inches and the width is going to be 3 inches. It's just a small heart for your wrist, so it's not going to be too big. Then if you can see, it's 4 inches and 3 inches, length 4 inches, width 3 inches. First, I would like to fold my fabric. I don't want to do that center line because I want the heart to be uniform on both sides. So I'm just going to do this. And for this, what this is going to affect is just the width. It's not going to affect the length. The length is still going to be normal. So let's just say this mid section is the center line that you're supposed to draw. So guys, this is a very easy way to do this. So yeah, I would just like to first, for this, I'm not going to be adding any seam allowance. Any seam allowance I want to add, I'll add it to my fabric. Yeah, there's a reason why I'm going to do it like that. So this is 4 inches here, 4 inches here. Then here, this is no, I said the width is 3 inches, so this is going to be 1.5. You're just going to mark it somewhere here. Okay, so now time to sketch. Yeah, so I think at this point the heart looks like it's hurting. Yeah, so we are just going to cut. Yo. For 50 plus subscribers, I'm showing you guys my love. So we are just going to go ahead with this pattern. We are going to start with our fabric. This is the front part and this is the back part. So I'm just going to mark it to a different side. This chalk can actually erase, and that's why I'm not marking it at the front part to avoid anything from happening. But I'm just going to put my seam allowance. My seam allowance is very small. I think I'm going to be using 0.25 inches. So let's just do this. This is very small, not so much. Guys, you don't have a firm hold on your pattern paper and on your fabric, please do pin it down. So this is what I have. This is the first hat. I'm just going to use this particular one. I'm going to set my pattern paper aside now and use this particular one to cut the second one. So I'm just going to go to my sewing machine to sew this side like this. Then any excess, I'll just trim it off. So, but before that, let me cut the wristband so I'll do everything at once. So for my wrist, what I'm just going to measure. It's not something that should be very tight. Yeah. So this is 7. Then something else I also like to do for is you can either remove 2 inches from your wrist from that 7, which would be 5, or you can just measure. I just stretch it out a bit and see. Okay, here. Let me measure from here to here. Okay, this is 6 inches. So for my wristband, for the elastic, I don't want it to be very tight. So I'm working with 6. Well, for the fabric, I'm working with 8. So guys, just follow me. I'm just going to measure 6 inches. I'm still going to fold like 1 out of it, like half half. So it's still going to fall back to 5. But for start, let me just use the 6. Okay, so this is what I have for my band now for the elastic. Then I'm going to go ahead to my fabric. For this, I'm going to be using 3.5. Let's use 3.5 for this. I'm just smoothing out the edges first. So on fold, I'm just going to be measuring 1.5 and quarter. That was going to give me 3.5. 1.5 and quarter. Then I said I was going to use 8 for the length of my sleeve. Sorry, for the length of the wrist band. Then I'm just going to add 1 inch for joining. There's a place I'm going to join. So guys, I'm just going to go to my sewing machine and I'm going to run a straight stitch here down. So this is all I have to sew. I have my two cushion covers. Then I also have this for the wrist. Let's go. Let's start with sewing the pin cushion. So I'm just going to place my fabric right side facing right side. Then to hold this in place, I'm just going to pin. I'm going to like to start from this side. Yeah, I've sewn it round already. I'm just going to top stitch and turn over. I hope it's looking like love. Yeah, so after filling this cushion, I'm just going to sew here. So let's proceed to the wristband now. For the wristband, I'm just going to sew this top part, right side facing right side. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim. So then I'm going to turn over. So with this, I'm just going to pass this elastic band into it. I'm going to sew this. I'm going to sew it half inch. I'm going to sew half inch here. So at this point, I'm just going to tuck in. I'm just going to tuck in one of these into the other one, and then I'll just run a straight stitch. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. Yeah. Then when I filled this one, it's just going to be on it like this. So let's go fill the pin cushion. Okay, so it's time to fill the pin cushion. And these are the pieces I have here. I had to shred them to make it very easy. So I'm just going to fill this in and then I'll come back to show you what I have. Now I'm done with the heart. I'm done filling it. And it's just time for me to talk now. So this is how this is how my wristband pincushion is looking like, guys. So this is the love I promised. I'm dedicating this particular DIY project to all my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for the love. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the 50 plus subscribers. I'm so grateful. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So while I fix my paints, I'm just going to do my closing remarks. It's been a long day filming this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, join the love. That's just what I would say. Join the love, subscribe, be part of the family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming through. Thank you for always watching my videos, for always engaging. Thank you for always sharing. I really appreciate you guys big time. Okay, guys, so next time, stay stylish, stay positive, and stay happy. Bye.